Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my first lace closure. So I couldn't actually find lace, so I just bought like one of the frontal caps and cut the lace off of it. So I noticed that the lace was like pretty thin, so I'm just going to fold it to make it a little bit thicker just so that it will hold more. And then I'm going to take my needle and thread and I'm going to sew in like a square-like shape. And this is also going to make the lace more secure for when I sew it on my wig. Okay, so now as you can see, I have my little square piece, and I'm not going to cut off the excess fabric yet. What I'm going to do is, it's like a little hole in between both of the fabrics from where I fold it. I'm just going to put lace glue on top of that and flatten it out so that it will be, molded together. This is a step that you don't have to do. However, like I felt like it was more easier for me because I just didn't like, the little flap in between. So now you see it's really flat, and I'm going to show you, what not to do first. So using this 30-second bond glue, it is really good. You can use it. However, it was not getting the job done quick enough for me. So I decided that I wanted to use, what is it called? Hot glue instead. Okay, so then I'm just going to lay my tracks going in a U shape. Y'all forget my mess in the back. That's like all my hair material. I just have it laying out anywhere when I'm working. So yeah. So and then once I have my first track down, I'm just gonna go back and do a second one in the same U shape. And then I'm going to continue to do the same thing until I got um my little part as small as I want it. Okay, so this is how it's looking, and what I'm doing now is applying some lace glue. This is like the Walker something lace glue, but anywho, I'm applying that to the part first, and I'm gonna let it dry for like 10 seconds. This glue is very, very, very messy. So then I cut some hair off of the track, and what I'm gonna do is just place it right on top of the glue, being sure that I push the tip down into the glue so that it will dry. This is like the same thing as doing an illusion part. I'm just doing it on, like, of course, a lace. Okay, so this is how it's looking after I'm almost done with one whole side. And then this is how it looks when I'm done. It looks a little messy, and that's okay. I'm just gonna take my little scissors and cut the excess hair that's in, the area where I want my part to be. I'm just gonna cut that off and then let it dry. So once it's all dry and I made my wig, this is how my wig look. I have pictures on the side of the front and the back of the closure once it dried. I think I did really good for my first time. However, I'm going to continue to try and get better. Please, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.